The arrow stops a war at the gate. Zhang Fei, too bold, lost Zhuzhu plain. Lu Bu, once guest, now lord again. He let Liu Bei keep Xiao Pei's land. Two rivals shook hands, each made a stand. But trouble brewed from the north one day. Jiling marched with grand array. 10,000 troops at Xiao Pei's gate. On Yuan Shu's word to seal Lu's fate. With armor gleaming, banners high. Jiling prepared for blood to fly. Yet Lu Bu's name reached Jiling's ears, and gave even war-hardened hearts their fears. He sent fine gifts and kindly word. Let's stay apart, the grudge is absurd. Lu Bu, proud hero of the West, famed young warrior among the best, now ruled from Zhuzhu's command tent. 3,000 wolves at his firmament. 2 scrolls lay upon his desk. One bore fear, the other finesse. Lu begged help with trembling hand. Jiling's offering, hard to understand. Lu Bu stroked his beard, a knowing smile. Let's end this fight, at least for a while. He penned 2 letters, poised and wise. Tomorrow we'll meet with open eyes. And quietly, he told Liu Bei. Sleep easy, friend, you're safe today. Still, Liu Bei paced through sleepless night. Then summoned his brothers to set things right. With honor strong as mountain stone, the 3 would never stand alone. Once we crushed the yellow scarves, said they. Shall we now fear one Jiling's play? From tower walls they watched the dawn, as hostile flags like fire were drawn. Zhang Fei could barely hold his rage. He roared like thunder, fierce and sage. Lu calmed him with a steady hand. Let's win this fight with thought, not brand. But before plans could take full shape, Lu Bu's own letter altered fate. Zhang Fei bellowed, eyes like flame. Lu Bu again plays a traitor's game. He once deceived and stole our land. Now he tempts us with false hand. Guan Yu smirked and coolly spoke. Third brother's courage, has it broke? Zhang slammed the table with a shout. Let wolves come, I'll drive 'em out. The brothers rode to Zhuzhu's gate, to dine with Lu and challenge fate. Lu Bu toasted Jiling with wine, and sang of past in boastful lines. At Puyang, blood flowed like the sea. At Hulao Pass, none dared challenge me. Dong Duo's fall brought tears and pain, yet I alone defied the chain. Liu Bei smiled but squirmed inside. Zhang Fei, outside, let curses fly. Lu urged calm, to keep things clean. Lu Bu's brows arched. What did it mean? Dear brother, he said with feigned delight. Zhang Fei roared, you dare speak right. My brother is the Han's true kin. How dare you claim such bond with him? Words flew sharp like clashing blades. Lu stepped in to smooth the shades. Jiling appeared, suspicious still. Both sides backed down, no blood to spill. Lu Bu, then, made a gambler's call. One arrow shall decide it all. Place my halberd 100 paces. If I strike true, leave no more traces. None could argue, none defy. Each man prayed to his chosen sky. Lu Bu drew back his golden bow. The arrow sang through morning's glow, and struck dead center, sure and true. A gasp arose from every crew. He laughed, his bow now set aside. One arrow, and the war has died. He sent a letter back to Yuan. And Jiling read it, pale and drawn. Ashamed, he pounded chest and ground. Then turned his troops without a sound. Lu Bu then turned to Lu and said, "Should fortune smile on you ahead, remember well the arrow's flight, and how it spared you war that night." Reflection. A single arrow stunned the age. It broke the blade, calmed soldiers' rage. Though fate may rule from stars above, true skill can win the world's respect and love. Yet heroes wield the clever art. They can't outwit the human heart. One shot spared all from death's grim song. But who recalls old debts for long?